Do you want to create videos with Google VEO3 but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you're doing very well. In this video, I will let you know how you can create free videos with Google VEO3. So let's start the video. First of all, open your computer browser, then search Google AI Studio. Then you will see this kind of website. Open this website and then you will see this kind of page. Click on get started. There we go. Then you will see this kind of page. Click on try nano banana. First of all, we will generate image and then we will create video from that image. You can put your prompt there and hit run and then processing will start. Then you have to wait for image generation. Here we go, picture has been generated and you can see the download option as well. After finalizing the image, click on download. Now image has been downloaded into my PC. Now open new tab and now search Google Flow. Here we go. Then you will see this kind of page. Open the first website, which is Google Flow. And then you will see this kind of page. You will see create with flow button. Click on that. Then you will see this kind of page. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on continue. Here we go. And then you have to click on new project. Then you will see this kind of page. Now you can make videos with two variations. From text to video, I'm generating text to video option right now. And the second is image to video, which is frames to video. Click on that. Then you can upload your image. We will upload the image which we generated before. Here we go. Click on agree. Then open the image into this website. Here we go. You can also crop the image. Here we go. Now I will give prompt to Google Flow to create the video. Here we go. I will make this woman walk in the video and I will hit enter. Now you can see processing has been started. You have to wait for a while to generate the video. First video has been generated and now I will click on play to start this video. Here we go. And you can see the quality of the video is very good. This was text to video option. Second video is also been generated. Now I will play the video. Here we go. This was image to video and you can see the quality of the video is very good. So this is how you can generate videos with Google VEO3 free of cost. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification button as well for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.